How to change the age restriction on your Roblox game. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Roblox application on a device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, tap on the more icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you tap on more, you can see the different options over here. Select on settings, and as you tap on settings, select on account info. As you tap on account info, it will take us to a new page where you will be able to see all the details about your account over here on Roblox. So now make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on a device, and if not your Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to a cellular data as well. Now here, in order to change the age restriction, you must be above 18. So make sure that you change your birth date over here. So if you want to change it, you can simply tap on the edit option beside birthday, and you can simply change the year or month or your birth date in general over here. Tap on continue, and as you tap on continue, it will start updating your birthday, and this will change the age restriction on your Roblox game as well. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time.